What is up, guys? S1KDK back with another video, and in today's video you guys have been asking for it, so I'm going to be doing it just very quickly. It's going to be a very quick video. My motovlog setup for 2024, what I changed and everything and why I changed it, so on and so forth. So of course I still have the GoPro Hero 9. Excuse me if it's a little bit dirty, but the GoPro Hero 9, a very good cheaper option if you want to get started into motovlogging or you already are like planning on doing it. The Hero 9 I think is around $100 something on Amazon. The link will be down below and I'll show the price up on the screen. I have a 64 gigabyte or maybe 128 gigabyte SSD card, so I make sure I don't run out of space on long trips. Those are pretty expensive, but it's not too big of a deal. With the Hero 9 and above, you have to get the media mod. So the media mod is a thing that hooks up to your GoPro that allows you to plug in a microphone. See, it has a microphone port. It also has a USB-C to charge, and it also has like a, I forgot what that plug is called, but like it has that too if you need that for any reason. It has a thing up here just in case if you want an external microphone to like go on top of the camera in case if you want to vlog or something like that. I've never used that part. All I've used is this. This is around $90 from GoPro. It's kind of ridiculous how they make you buy this part because there's no other like cheaper options that work just as good. I've looked everywhere, but this is a must if you want to start motovlogging with a microphone. Next up, how I connect my GoPro onto my helmet is a chin mount. So sorry it's a little bit hard to see, but as you can see, that is a chin mount. And when you buy a chin mount, I'm pretty sure there's a pack on their website that's called the media pack or something like that, that comes with a bunch of little extensions to make your camera angle perfect. So I bought that. I think it was an extra $20 or something like that. The link will be in the description below. For chin mount is perfect with any helmet. So you give chin mount like your helmet, they automatically have one that fits perfectly. See how it fits perfectly? This would not fit on any helmet besides the AGV Pisa GPRR, if you know what I'm saying. So if you have a Bell helmet, they have one for a Bell helmet, and so on and so forth. Now into the meat and potatoes here. My microphone that I've been using is a Rode Lav mic or LAV mic. This thing is amazing. I've been having troubles last year with a bunch of popping noises, pop, 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 every time that I tried to talk or if I was going really fast on my motorcycle, and the wind would make it pop because it's reading high decibels and stuff like that. This Rode mic is around $90 if I'm not mistaken on Amazon. Again, link in the description, price up on the screen. However, this mic is totally worth the money because I've gone through, I kid you not, 3 like $15 microphones that other motovloggers have said that it worked perfectly fine. Like I tried the Purple Panda, I tried a bunch of different stuff, and none of them worked as good as the Rode LAV mic. Shout out CBRPJ, he put me on this mic. If you guys want, you can try the cheaper option, but you get what you pay for, right? You get what you pay for. Now on the side here, I have a Cardo. This is not really needed for the motovlogging setup, but I'm just gonna show you guys. I have a Cardo. This is how I talk to people. This is how I record other people's microphones. Whenever I'm motovlogging with like CBRPJ, for example, we hook up through Discord, and I already have a video talking about that. I'll pop it up on the screen. So as you guys can see, it's a very hard to like kind of show you guys, however, but I have that lav mic, so the Rode mic, go inside of these cushions here, kind of just scrunch them up, zip tie them, whatever you have to do, just make them so it's clean in there. And you don't really feel it at all, but I have it right to the left of my cheek pad, or just peeking out of my cheek pad. It's not in the center because then it picks up a little bit more wind noise. This is the Cardo microphone, so don't worry about that. This little guy is a lav microphone, so that's where I have it set up. All right, guys, you get into the meat and potatoes of the GoPro and fix all of the settings from the default GoPro settings. This is exactly what you're going to want to be using. The settings that I'm about to show you. It makes you look like you're going faster. The colors pop out more and so on and so forth. Like, it is a very, 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 very good setting. It took me over 2 years to perfect these settings and a bunch of advice from a bunch of different YouTubers. And this is the stuff that works out best for me. First off, I have N16 filter. So if you guys don't know, this like makes it so you don't get color wash in the sun. You can find these on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. They come with a bunch of different like shades and stuff. They're basically like shades for your lens for your camera, but it makes it so you don't get washed out in the sun. I always rock the N16 even when it's dark outside. I rock the N16. It kind of gives it a darker feel. And then this in the summer when it's nice and bright outside like it is now, it doesn't wash away from the sun and everything, and the roads look still very clear. All right guys, let's go into our settings here. Sorry if I sound a little bit different. My video didn't record somehow and now I'm sick. This is a few days later. But I have 4K 30 FPS super view, hyper smooth on, then the Pro Tune, I have the bitrate on high, the shutter is at 1 divided by 60. This is huge. This makes the shutter makes it look like you're going faster. The white balance with the ND filtered ND16, I have 5500K, ISO minimum 100, ISO maximum 800. Sharpness is medium, color flat, raw audio off. The wind noise is in auto. I try to have it in off and I try to have it in on, and none of them sounded as good as in auto. Maybe it'll be different for you. And that is basically it for the GoPro settings. Try it, see if you guys like it, tweak it a little bit here and there for whatever is best for you. Now we are going to get into my Adobe Premiere software and my Photoshop to just show you guys what I use to edit and make my thumbnails. All right, peace. All right, guys, so now that you guys are on your desktop, I personally use Adobe Premiere. So Adobe Premiere is an amazing editing software. It is, however, $20-$25 a month, give or take here and there. This is the most easiest to get into if you guys don't want to pay for an editing software because you're just starting out. You don't know if you like it yet or not. There are a bunch of different options out there. All you have to do is look it up on Google, YouTube, whatever you guys want to do. But I highly suggest Adobe Premiere. I'm not even sponsored by them. I just love their stuff. And as you guys can see, I have made every single one of my YouTube videos from Adobe Premiere. At first I was using Sony Vegas, but Adobe Premiere has better quality. The rendering is a lot better and stuff like that. It's very, very easy to use. I highly suggest it. Now, if you guys are wondering how I make my thumbnails, I have been using Photoshop, and you know, sue me or not, I have a cracked version of Photoshop. I've had it since like probably 2017. I don't pay anything for it. You can find one online. I'm not going to give you a link for one because a lot of them are like spyware and stuff like that. A lot of them are like fake, and it just like puts a virus onto your computer. But I have one that's been working since 2018 and I love it to death. That is how I make my thumbnails. I love you guys all. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for all of the support recently, and thank you guys for 3,900 subscribers. 3,900 subscribers is absolutely insane. We're gonna hit 4,000 by the time that by the time that 2024 is over. I can't thank you guys enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it somewhat educational, and I helped you guys out with a lot of your questions and stuff like that. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Use my code S1KDK5 on BTMoto/BreadTune. Peace.